I know you are seeing how insane this problem is. College is crazy expensive these days. According to the educationdata.org, the average tuition cost per year is $25,707. $25,000. And this is only for in-state tuition students. But what can we do as uncles, aunts, grandparents, parents of children? We all want our youth to go to university and get a degree that will help them get a great paying job with a fantastic salary so that they don't have to start all the way at the bottom. The problem is, how are we going to pay $25,000 a year for 4 straight years without scholarships, signing up for high interest loans that will break the bank? Simply put, a 529 plan is a type of savings plan designed specifically for college expenses. There are a good number of benefits to this plan. One of them being that the money in the plan grows tax-free and can be withdrawn tax-free as long as it's used for qualified educational expenses. But I'll talk about this later. A prepaid tuition plan allows you to pay for future tuition at today's rates. You basically won't have to worry about paying for whatever the tuition cost might be in the future because the tuition is locked in what it is right now. So let's say you wanted to pay for your son or daughter to go to University of Maryland as an in-state student. Right now, the tuition is about $11,000 per year. Even if the amount per year jumped to $16,000, by the time you're ready for your child or relative to use the money you invested would grow in such a way that you'd be able to pay for the $16,000 adjusted for inflation and other factors. Now, it's also important to know some other pieces of information. This type of plan is typically only available to residents of the state. So only Maryland residents could take advantage of a prepaid tuition plan for Towson University, for example. However, plans may still be offered for out-of-state schools, but more restrictions are applied. Also, depending on the specific plan, the person benefiting will probably have to use the funds within a certain timeline for paying certain expenses. Changing gears, a college savings plan is more like a traditional investment account. Now, the difference between a prepaid tuition plan and a college savings plan is that the college savings plan can be used to pay for tuition, room and board, books, and any other college-related expenses. The prepaid tuition plan can be used for these too, but its primary purpose is to cover the tuition itself. Now, before we continue to the tax benefits of these plans, consider subscribing, liking the video if you find this key information valuable. Okay, now back to the tax benefits. Now, one of the biggest tax advantages of a 529 plan is that it offers tax benefits. Not only do the contributions grow tax-free, but they are also often tax deductible at the state level. This basically means that none of the extra money that is gained from interest will not be taxed until it's time to use it. If the plan is tax deductible, then you can subtract the money that you invested into the college plan from your taxes, your gross income more specifically, which leaves less money for the government to tax. See, it's a win-win situation. This plan is perfect for parents, grandparents, or anyone who wants to save for a child's or grandchild's future education. If you're interested in opening a 529 plan, getting started is easy. You can do it online or in person. Try going online, researching the different plans available in your state or in the state where your beneficiary plans attend college and choose the best plan for your family and future student. Also, you have a wide range of options when it comes to the investment choices. You can choose from age-based portfolios, target date portfolios, and individual funds, among others. Once you have chosen a plan, you will need to provide information about yourself and the beneficiary and your investment choices. From there, you can set up automatic contributions or make one-time contributions to the plan. But if you want to skip the process of researching the best plan, look into Major Financial Group. Now, before you click off right now, I'm offering a 100% free 30-minute consultation to help guide you in the right direction no matter your current situation. So, if you took something useful from this video today, consider subscribing. For more insurance guides, check out this video here to see another way to save money that could be used as a college fund or to save money better.